Okay folks, so I'm in my backyard planting this bur oak tree and I've cut into my lawn, which I don't really love doing because I hate mowing around trees and objects, but I guess that's just part of the game of having trees, and I want some trees in my yard so I could eventually have a nice mature landscape. Maybe I'll be in this house, maybe I won't, I don't know, but I still want to go for it. So I want to take a piece of sod out of my lawn right here and show you the profile of my turf. So I got the turf here that I've been mowing at about 5/8 of an inch all summer long. So then I've got my subsoil structure base, that's this clay soil. So I just want to show you how long these roots are. I'm going to take a piece off right here. So here's my soil here. So if you can see the roots right here, these are going to be the turf roots. The only thing I have growing right here is grass. There's no weeds in here, just grass only. So if you can see this, see how long that root is right there? It's hanging all the way down here. So if I put the measuring tape right there, about right there, I would say that's the top. I would say that those are 8-inch roots. I don't know who's kidding or who's saying what about shortcut grass, but there again is proof that these roots are long. So if you can see my soil structure profile right here, I'm cutting my lawn at about, right now it's about 1 inch tall, maybe a little bit longer. I've been cutting it at about 5/8 of an inch all summer long. Today is September the 3rd, 2018. So my sand layer is about 1 inch. So a lot of people have said, well, why are you putting sand on your lawn and not soil? So do you see the soil profile right here? So I have a small layer of sand and then I have soil underneath, this clay soil here. It's kind of some hard, nasty clay soil. And then you can see these roots right here. So I just measured these. I'm going to put this at about the 10-inch mark right there. If you can see, those are easily 6 to 7 inches long, easily. So those folks that want to say you're cutting your lawn too short and the roots are shallow, or you're watering too much and your roots are shallow, I've had a lot of flack for people saying I water too much, but look how deep these roots are right here, okay? And that's the only thing I've got growing. So I'm not turning my lawn into a sand-based lawn. I'm just top dressing the lawn and putting sand on the top. And so if you can see, I have this short little small layer of sand. It's probably about 1 inch. I've got some good thatch. So I've got a thatch layer, sand, and then I've got this clay layer, and it's this bad clay soil that looks like this. It's pretty hard and pretty clay-like. It's not great soil. So for me, this is a testament that you can grow good-looking grass and short grass if that's what you're after, and not have to worry about sacrificing the roots. So I do put a lot of humic acid on my lawn. I don't know if that is helping the roots to grow really deep and to dig low. I don't know. But I do put humic acid and I do fertilize my lawn regularly. So I just kind of wanted to show you that and show you that, hey, the roots are long even when you cut your grass really short. So, contrary to what a lot of people say. So something else that I wanted to point out is that look at this. So this is clay soil and I've added sand. So a lot of people will say, you're gonna turn your soil profile into concrete. So does this look like concrete to you? I would say that that's a sandy layer right there where the sod is. And then I've got this clay layer. No concrete at all. Hasn't turned hard at all. It's quite soft actually. So anyways, just kind of wanted to show you that. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm gonna continue planting this tree. So if you like my content that I make, like this video and subscribe to my channel below. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.